Hello my dear students, welcome back to Poonam's classroom. Today we are going to talk about meristematic tissue. In the last video, I have told you that plant tissue are broadly divided into two types, the meristematic tissue and the permanent tissue. Let's start with the meristematic tissue today. The word meristematic comes from a Greek word meristos, which means divided. So you can understand that these tissues have something to do with division. Let's start with the definition. What is meristematic tissue? Meristematic tissue is a thin-walled plant tissue which are made of immature, compactly arranged, active cells that divide continuously and form new cells. That these cells have thin cell wall and they are immature cells. Now, what do we mean by immature cells? When a cell is young and not differentiated into a particular cell, it is called an immature cell. For example, when you are young, you are not matured. Slowly, you will mature to a man or a woman. In the young age, you will think, I want to become a pilot or a scientist or a doctor. But as you become matured, you choose only one profession, right? Say you become a scientist. So, when matured, you are doing a particular function only. But when you are immature, you have more options. It is like differentiating to a particular function. Similarly, immature cells are undifferentiated cells. They will slowly mature to form permanent cells by the process of differentiation. So, meristematic tissue are not differentiated cells and they are immature cells. They are very active and they divide continuously and they are arranged compactly. That is, there is very less or no space between them. And as we have seen earlier, the name suggests that they divide continuously. Is this part clear, my dear students? So students, now can you tell me the characteristics or properties of meristematic tissue? Let's see. First, shape and size. They are small, spherical or polygonal in shape. Cell wall is thin and elastic. Intercellular space is absent. They are compactly arranged. Now you will ask me, ma'am, what is this intercellular space? It means space between the cells. If they are loosely arranged, there will be space between them. These are the cells which are loosely arranged. So can you see the space between them? This space is called intercellular space. So in meristematic tissue, intercellular space is absent. They are compactly arranged. They have a very prominent nucleus. They have dense cytoplasm. Vacuoles are absent. Now why are vacuoles absent? Can you tell me? To understand that, you need to know the function of vacuole. One of the function of vacuole is storage. These dividing cells divide rapidly and thus do not need to store anything. So they do not have vacuoles. These are the meristematic cells which make up the meristematic tissue. They have thin wall, they have dense cytoplasm and the nucleus is very prominent. And as you can see, they are compactly arranged and they divide very rapidly. They do not have any vacuole. Now let's see the type of meristematic tissue depending upon their location. Meristematic tissue can be divided into three types: apical meristem, intercalary meristem and lateral meristem. Let's see in details about each of them. Apical means apex or tip. So apical meristem will be present at the tip of the plant. This is a plant shoot or a stem. They are found at the tip of the stem or the shoot. They are also found at the tip of the root. So what do? They help in increasing the length of the plant. That is, they help in increasing the length of the plant at the tips, both at the shoot and the root. When the meristem is present in the stem, which is also called shoot, then it is called stem or shoot apical meristem. And when it is present in the root, then it is called root apical meristem. Next is the intercalary meristem. So now you know inter means between. So these meristems are present in intermediate position at the base of the leaves and also at the internodes. Now again another new term. What is this internode? For that we need to know what are nodes. Nodes are part of the plant stem from where the growth of leaves take place while internodes are part of the plant stem between two consecutive nodes. Now from here leaves will come out, right? So these are the nodes. And the intermediate space between two consecutive nodes, that is this space, is the internode. Is it clear? So intercalary meristem is present in the nodes from where leaves come out and also in the internode, that is the space between two nodes. They help in increasing the length of the internodes and also help in the growth of the leaves. The third type of meristem is the lateral meristem. They are present on the lateral side of the plant. So this is a lateral meristem. They help the plant to increase the growth. That is, they make the plant fat. They are also called cambium. So now you know different types of meristematic tissue according to their location. So what did we learn? According to location, meristematic tissue can be apical when it is at the tip of the shoot or at the root. It can be intercalary when it is between the nodes and internodes. It is lateral when it is on the sides of the shoot and the root, which help in increasing the girth. Is it clear, my dear students? So let me stop here today. If you have any questions, write me in the comment and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more free lectures. See you soon.